Making coconut flakes at home is super easy. With just few steps, you achieve this delicious crunchy toppings for your favorite meal and snack. Coconut flakes is also packed with numerous health benefits that I'll be discussing with you all, so let's get started. First, I went ahead to crack the hard shell of the coconut open using a kitchen rolling pin, although you can choose to use any hard tool of your choice. After cracking the hard shell open, I went ahead to use a knife edge to remove the remaining shell from the coconut. Next, I went ahead to give it a quick rinse in order to get rid of any particle. Moving forward, I grated the coconut using this part of my grater to achieve a fine shred, although you can choose to use a kitchen peeler to cut yours into bigger slices depending on the size of coconut flakes you want. Just in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Joy by name, and in this channel I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice and also smoothies, so please kindly click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new amazing recipes just like this. Be sure to like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. So this shredded coconut is what I'll be using to make the coconut flakes. To my pan on medium heat, I added half cup of water to it, alongside with 2 tablespoons of sugar just to sweeten things up, although you can choose to use honey, maple syrup or even date syrup, just any sweetener of your choice. When the sugar was dissolved, I transferred the shredded coconuts to it and stir. There is totally no need to allow your sugar to caramelize at first, so I toasted the coconut on medium to low heat while stirring at interval. Coconut flakes has numerous health benefits as they are rich in healthy fat which helps to boost energy. They also support digestion as they have high fiber content. It supports heart health as it improves high distilled lipoprotein level, which is known as the good cholesterol. It also contains essential minerals like iron and magnesium for healthy brain function. There are other health benefits of consuming coconut flakes, but this is just to mention a few. Once your coconut flakes becomes crunchy and turns golden brown like this, just know it's pretty much ready. I removed mine from heat, then placed in a flat plate just so it could cool down. Once it cooled down, you can store yours in an airtight jar. I enjoy it in any cereal, pudding, salad or any snack of your choice. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.